For a twist on a pancake brunch, how about a crispy golden potato cake that you can fry up right in a pan? I mean a rosti. And the secret to a succulent rosti is to parboil your potatoes. And it all starts off with a classic brunch ingredient, bacon. That smell in here is incredible. And shallots for an oniony kick. Crispy little salty bites. Is there anything better than the smell of bacon? I mean, it's so good, I think it just made the baby kick. Parboiled potatoes are super easy to make. All you need to do is peel them up into boiling water for about 10 minutes till they're partially cooked, and watch how easy they grate up. I hear that butter and olive oil sizzling up in the back. Ready for the potatoes. Flattening the potatoes, ensure that they cook evenly and give it the pancake shape I'm looking for. You know this is ready to turn when all of the crispy bits in the corner, you can actually start munching on. But here is my tip to flip this. Just grab a plate, put it over top, and give it a flip. Look at that color. And just slide it back in. And the more crispy it is, the better. Now this is delicious on its own, but wait until you see these luxurious toppings that are gonna go on. Starting with some smoked salmon. Is there anything more appropriate for brunch? Smoked salmon is awesome. Just pile it up on there and look at that color pop. Gorgeous. And remember that crème fraiche I used earlier for the sweet pancakes? Well, it's just as awesome for the savory. And I love some fresh chives, not only for the color, but that nice oniony flavor. I'm gonna freshen this up. Now this is ready to eat. So as you know, I'm carrying a little one in here, which means I can't really eat the smoked salmon, but I get to have the rest. That crunch when you cut into this, wow. This rosti is crispy and crunchy with the salty bite from the bacon. What a combination. And the crème fraiche just cools everything down, and I love that fresh onion flavor. Pancake brunch is one of my favorite brunches ever, especially when you have fun with the definition of a pancake.